She gives me loving like I ain't ever had. And toss me to the curb like a dirty dish rag. Say, boys, is the juice worth the squeeze? Every night she makes me feel like a king, then treats me like a dog the very next morning. Tell me, boys, what you think? Is the juice worth the squeeze? Every time I see her, I tell myself I'm through. But I got this itch, just won't go away. She scratches it like no one else do. Every time I see her, I swear things gotta change. But no matter how hard I try, I just can't stay away. And the question, it's always the same. Is the juice worth the squeeze? Is the juice worth the squeeze? When you get what you want, but not what you need. Is the juice worth the squeeze? When you get what you want, but not what you need. Is the juice worth the squeeze? Is the juice worth the squeeze?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.